Okay. If you try to do the top hinge and if it doesn't suck over far enough, then you can try the middle one as well. Okay, so now I'm going to get up there and do the same thing with this top hinge. Yeah, if you go to the store and get a battery operated drill, get the 18 volt and also get the lithium type batteries too. Okay, you can get those nowadays. They're way better. I'm just happened to use this. This is my Pop's old drill, and that's the one I'm going to use. And it seems to be working okay. Just using a little screwdriver. I need to pop this hinge out of here. I'm trying to see how I'm going to do that. Remember, this one here just kind of loosened right up. These hinges are slightly different than normal ones, so I'm wondering how I'm going to do that. Got any ideas, Molly?
Bigger screwdriver?
A bigger screwdriver? Oh, no.
Bigger head on that? There you go. A butter knife?
I don't want to dig in either. Okay, come on. I may have to close the door or something. Hey, it's loosening up.
How about a bigger, do you have another screwdriver
Yeah,
with you?
I'm just kind of wedging it up against itself though. Come on. I got my putty knife down there too.
Here, you want it?
Well, it's underneath
I
that.
know.
Yeah.
There's a bigger screwdriver, don't you have?
Yeah,
Yeah, there.
I got a bigger one, but I was hoping not to damage that. Okay, there it is.
There you go.
Okay. There. Okay. I guess we might as well leave the camera going. Get my drill bit on here. Right here in the corner, at the bottom and the top. I normally do both of those. Right there I'm hitting the stud. Because you don't want to go any closer with regular hinges. You could think you could go over here, but then you're going to screw right into the edge of the sheetrock. Put my wood screws in there. Get up here higher if I can. See, that screw is driven right into there. Had I put the long screws in with just this like that over the hinge, there's no way I could suck the wood in like that. Okay, I think I've done it. Now, get that back over. I have it just about where I want it. There, right there. Now see, had I not had something underneath the door, this would have been sagged way over. Then you'd need somebody else to help hold this up. I'm just trying to show you how to do this by yourself. You know, lots of times you don't have a helper with you, so use your hammer or your cat's paw, screwdriver, whatever you got, and it'll work. That's right exactly where it needs to be. I think I've done it, by Joe. Let's see what happens. No funny business. We're going to keep the camera rolling. Let's back the camera up a little. Back it up a little bit back here. Get this out of here. I'm not even going to try it without stopping the camera because I feel pretty confident that I've done it. Now as I pull up on this, it should lock. Kaboom. It's locked. Unlocked. See, remember, if this pulls up, top bolt goes in, bottom bolt goes in. And what was happening is the top bolt was not going in its little pocket there. Looking at that, I didn't really suck it over that far, but I think I did just enough to do it. See? It's locked. There it is. Now, if yours doesn't do that, and if you have to, you could mortise out the top of the hinge. After you take the hinge out, you'd have to mortise the side of the door out just a little bit because there's plenty of room here to suck it over a little bit further. But I don't have to do that. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Okay? Now my mother can lock it on her own and be safe. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back.